If you'll observe, most of the cases, the magnitude of speed and velocity of a moving body is equal. So if you have so many cases, always the magnitude of a speed as well as velocity is equal. Speed and velocity is always equal for a particular body. But if you'll observe, suppose for example, let us start with one example you can understand. Suppose a boy runs a distance of 100 meters in 50 seconds. A boy runs a distance of 100 meters in 50 seconds. Just to imagine, 100 meters in 50 seconds is going from his home to a shop. So let us imagine this is his home. Let us imagine this is what? His home. And now he is traveling from here to shop. This is home and this is shop. Just you have to also draw the diagram. Understand? This is what? Shop. So now he is running with what speed? He is running 100 meters in 50 seconds. 100 meters in 50 seconds. This is home and this is shop. So now, if you'll observe here, he is running a distance of 100 meters in 50 seconds in going from his home to a shop. Home to a shop. In the which direction, Ra? In the direction of east. Which direction? In the direction of? The direction of what? Direction of?
Northeast.
Direction. He is moving in which direction?
No.
He is traveling like this from home to shop. So he is moving in the direction of east. Understand? Direction in a straight line. In a straight line. So now in this example you observe, suppose you only imagine you are running from home to your nearest shop in a straight line towards the east direction with the distance 100 meters in 50 seconds. Now, if you calculate the speed of the body, what is the speed of the boy? You imagine, what is the speed of boy here? Tell me. Speed of boy is equals to, what is that? Distance traveled by time taken, which is equals to 100 meters divided by
100 meter by
equals to 51s or 52s. So he is moving how much, Ra? 2 meters per every second. Is it yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes or no, Ra? Respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
The speed of the boy is 2 meters per second. Yes, the same way. Now he is moving. I am mentioning the question. He is moving. Understanding in the east direction. In the east direction in a straight line. So that now what is the velocity, Ra? What is the velocity of the body? Tell me. What is the velocity of the body? Speed is okay. Speed is equals to 2 meters per second. Now what is the velocity? So velocity is equals to, as we know that. What is the velocity mean definition, Ra? Are speak, yeah. Velocity of the boy is equals to what we can call displacement divided by, this is distance and this is displacement
Distance divided by time taken.
So which is equals to, what is the displacement? 100 meters towards to which direction? 100 meters towards to which direction? 100 meters towards to which direction?
East.
100 meters towards to
East.
east divided by time is equals to 50 seconds. So 50, 51s are 52s are, which is equals to 2 meters per second. 2 meters per second. And what is the direction? 2 meters per second towards to
East.
east. Means in the sense of both, in this case, both velocity and speed, both are equal or not? Is it equal or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what. So most of the cases, what I am saying, most of the cases, always the magnitude means what? The number. Most of the cases, the magnitude of a body, understanding, of a velocity and speed of a body is always equal. So here also remember, the magnitude of a speed and velocity of a moving body is equal only if the body moves in a straight line direction. Are you people understanding that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So remember, only the magnitude of a velocity and understanding speed is equal only when the body is traveling in a straight line direction, either towards to the north or south or west or east, doesn't matter. If the body is moving in a straight line between any 2 points, then only the velocity and speed of a body, magnitude of a speed and velocity is equal. If not, what will happen? If a body does not move in a straight line, then what will happen? Then the speed and velocity of the body are not equal. Speed and velocity of the body. Speed and velocity of the body. Tell me. I understand. So
Not
let us prove that also. How, sir? How you are saying that it is not equal? Let us now imagine the same example. All of you observe very carefully. Now, same direction means we have got that. When they are moving in a particular direction, velocity and speed is both equal. Magnitude is also equal. Now, just imagine same person. Same person, you just imagine. All of you observe. So this is the home. I am just drawing the ring. This is the home. Understanding? I am writing here home. And this is the water. Here who will be there? Shop. Okay, da? This is the shop and this is the home. So now if you will observe, initially the person, remember, a boy first runs a distance of 100 meters. 100 meters in 50 seconds. 100 meters in 50 seconds. In going from his home to shop. Home to shop. In the east direction. In the east direction. East direction. See, I am taking this example just to prove that velocity and speed are not equal in particular cases. That is all. So now first when he is going from home to shop, he is running 100 meters in 50 seconds in the east direction. Now you observe, then he runs a distance of again 100 meters. From your home to shop 100 meters means again from shop to home also how much? Same 100 meters. Is it yes or not?
100.
Same 100 meters in 50 seconds, but now he is traveling in which direction, Ra? He seconds in the reverse direction from the first. Is it yes or no? He is now traveling reverse direction. Reverse direction means towards which direction? Which direction?
West. West.
Means in the sense of he is moving which direction? West direction. West direction. So now you observe. You calculate the speed. So now, what is the speed of a boy? Tell me. What is the speed of a boy? What is the speed of a boy? Overall speed. Overall speed. Overall speed. Overall speed. Overall speed you take. Speed of a boy, which is equals to what? Total distance traveled. 100 meters plus 100 meters. What is the total equals to?
200.
200, man. Total equals how much?
200 meter.
200 meter divided by 50 plus 50 seconds, which is equals how much?
100 seconds.
200 meters.
200 meter by 100 seconds.
Which is equals to what again? 100 ones are 100 twos are, which is equals to 2 meter per second.
2 meter per second.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Now you observe. Now you observe. What I said displacement. You may remember displacement. He went and came back again. He went and came back again. Finally, he reaches to A. He went to B and again he reaches to A. Now, what is the displacement? Time is equals to 100, but displacement is equals to what? Finally reaches to again same position. He went to B, but finally reaches to A. Now, what I said? Same position he reaches. What is the displacement? Are you same position? Displacement what?
2 meter.
No. Array, now you went in here and again you came back. What is the now velocity? Displacement. Displacement by time. What is our displacement? Initially you were here, finally you were here. Then what is the displacement? Distance. What is the displacement? 0. That is what I said. You may remember circle. When you are traveling in a circle, if you are in A position and you are in a B position. Suppose what is the distance means 2 pi r is the distance. 2 pi r is the distance. Now, what is the displacement they will ask? Suppose you are in initial position A and finally you reaches to B and if you stop, half rotation if you make, then the displacement is equals to diameter of the circle. Displacement is equals to diameter of the circle. Suppose you reaches to full circle, you reaches to the again A point. What is the displacement? You initially here and again finally you reaches to here. What is the displacement?
0.
Displacement is equals to 0. Are you understand, Ra? Because initial point is same thing, final point is same thing. Now, what is the distance between the 2 points? 2 points become same point. Then what is the distance? What is the displacement between them? 0 only. Yes or no?
0.
All of you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Now you see, the boy runs in the case of velocity. Speed is equals to 2 meter per second. Okay, that is happy. I am not saying that it is wrong. Now you see velocity. The boy runs 100 meters towards to east direction, and then 100 meters in opposite direction towards to the west direction. Understand? And he reaches at the starting point. Means starting point where he has started initially. Where he has started initially? First starting
house.
where he has started initially? Home only. Is it correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, finally he reaches to his home. So, the displacement is equals to, what will happen? The displacement of a body, displacement
0.
which is equals to 100 meters forward and 100 meters backward. Totally which is equals to what? Displacement. 100 meters minus 100 meters.
0 meter.
0 meters. And time how much ra? Time 50 seconds plus 50 seconds, which is equals to how much? 100 seconds. Now if you'll observe, velocity of the body, which is equals to displacement divided by time, which is equals to 0 meter divided by 100 seconds. So 0 by anything, how much ra? 0 by anything? 0 meter.
0.
Understand ra? So that is. So in this case,
Yes,
is velocity and the magnitude of velocity and speed is same? Is it magnitude and velocity is same? Magnitude of speed and velocity is same.
No, sir.
That is what you should understand. You people understanding or not? Monesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you are traveling in a particular straight line direction, always remember only in one direction, then velocity and speed, the magnitude of velocity and speed is equal. But when you are returns from the same point back, then the speed may be the same, but velocity will become how much ra? Velocity will become 0.
No much.
0.
Understand? That is. So now write it all of you. You understood or not?
Sir.
Right. The magnitude of a speed, the magnitude of a speed and velocity of a moving body, is equal only if the body moves in a straight line. Only the body moves in a single straight line, not straight line illa. Single straight line. Full stop. If however a body does not move in a single straight line, a body does not move in a single straight line, then the speed and velocity of the body, are not equal. Are you understand or not? Yes or no?
Understood, sir.
Now draw this diagram and overall whatever you understood you write. If you want, I will redraw again from first. Can I do it or can I do it?
No need, sir.
No.
I will do it. First case.
No need, sir. Understood, sir.
First case you do. First case what? Only single direction you do it. All of you do. First case, velocity, and you have to prove that velocity and speed, magnitude of velocity and speed is same. So draw on home. Understand? This is what? Home, and from here to here he is traveling single direction, 100 meters in 50 seconds, east direction, and he reaches to the shop. Now this is home. So now in this case, speed is equals to distance by time, which is equals to 100 meters divided by 50 seconds. So 51s are 52, which is equals to 2 meters per second. So as well as velocity is equals to displacement divided by time, which is equals to 100 meters towards to east. towards east divided by 50 seconds, which is equals to 2 meter per second towards to east. Puranjicha? Understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. Samaya, is there Samaya? Manya, Samaya is there or not?
Yes, sir. Both are.
Okay, you want line, Ra? Pradosh, right. Single straight line, then the speed and velocity of the body are not equal. If a body does not move in a single straight line, then the speed and velocity of the body are not equal. Okay, Pradosh? This is the first case. First case example. Now second case. Second case, nothing is there. Just for this diagram, again you draw, redraw. Example 2 you can keep. To prove that velocity and speed are not equal. Magnitude. So draw again second arrow and you write again. Same 100 meters, same 50 seconds, but towards the west direction. West direction. So now, in this case, speed is equals to total distance. How much it is? 100 meters plus 100 meters divided by total time 50 seconds plus 50 seconds, which is equals to 200 meters divided by 100 seconds. 100 ones are 100 twos are, which is equals to Maunesh. Are you understanding, Maunesh? That is. Now, velocity. Velocity is equals to. You understand, Ra?
Understood, sir.
Tamil Selvan. Velocity is equals to displacement, correct? So displacement means 100 meters divided by 100 meters. Sorry, minus divided by 50 seconds plus
50 seconds plus 50 seconds.
is equals to 0 meters divided by 50 seconds. Sorry, 100 seconds, which is equals to 0 meter per second. 0 meter per second. So means in the sense of what? He reaches to finally same point, correct or not? Reaches to home, again back, again. So velocity is 0. Velocity is equals to 0 meter per second. Do people understand? Clear? Any doubt? You ask me. Okay, ma?
Understood, sir.
Now, if you understand this concept, then we can go for
Sir, sums.
that is some only we are going now. Right. A car travels a distance of right, example. A car travels a distance of 200 kilometer from you have to solve the same way. Example I have taught, you people need to solve. Everybody must try. Samaya, Manya, Alana, everybody.
Can you say it again?
I will say. Very, very important this one. Remember that. Amma, why you not join? Not join, Amma. Hello. Class, why you not join? Okay, right. A car travels a distance of 200 kilometer from Delhi to Agra. You can take. A car travels a distance of 200 kilometer from Delhi to Agra. Towards north in 5 hours. Calculate Roman number 1. Speed. Calculate speed. Roman number 2. Velocity. velocity of a car for his journey. Of a car for his journey. So start doing now. For this journey, not his journey. Start doing now. Let me see who will do it first. Speed and velocity both. Very simple problem. Just I want to make it you clear. That's all concept. Now first case. Given you write. Given speed is distance is equals to 200 kilometer. Towards which one? Towards to north. That is required for what? Velocity calculation. Now time is equals to 5 hours. That's all. So is it not? Is it anything need to change? Both are kilometers and hours. So no need to change. Directly substitute it. Now speed is equals to what? Speed is equals to what? Distance by time, which is equals to 200 kilometer divided by 5 hours. So 5 ones are 5 fours are means 40. So 40 kilometer per hour is the speed. Is it yes or no? All of you. Now velocity. Velocity what will come? Do it, man. Velocity is equals to.
Sir, we will do it.
Equals to displacement. Displacement divided by time. So displacement is equals to how much run now? How much? 200 kilometer. In which direction? 200 kilometer. What? Towards north. Divided by time is equals to 5 hours. Which is equals to 5 ones are 5 40s are. Which is equals to 40 kilometer per hour. In which direction? Towards north. That's all. Is it yes or no?
North.
That's all. Okay, da? Solve it, solve it. All of you solve it. Alana, have you solved? Alana, please respond me.
1 minute, sir.
Ah,
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Don't rush, sir.
take your time. No issues. You take your time and you join. All of you do it. Tamil Selvan, are you understand?
Yes, sir. I can understand, sir.
Yeah. Can you able to solve now? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your sir is teaching what now?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
You want to see the notes? Okay. Brothers will say, brothers.
Chemistry.
Chemistry, yeah. Yes, school I am asking, Rare, this chapter.
Speed and velocity.
Oh, that is also going same thing, huh?
Sir.
Okay. No issues. Shall we go for it now? Next question.
Sir, 1
1
minute.
minute, sir.
Solve. Brothers, is it this much taught or very less only taught?
Sir, next question, sir.
Wait. Elra. Okay. Write the question. Next question. A bus covers a distance of, let me see who will solve first. A bus covers a distance of 250 kilometer. 250 kilometer. A bus covers a distance of 250 kilometer from Chennai to Chennai to you take which place you want? Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Pudukkottai or Trichy? Whatever you want to take.
Yes, sir.
Pudukkottai?
Coimbatore.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Traveling 250 kilometer from Chennai to Pudukkottai. Towards west. In 5 hours. In 5 hours. In the morning. in the morning. So morning from where it is started, Ra? Now this is Chennai. So this is Chennai and this is a Pudukottai. Understand? So now Chennai to Pudukottai morning towards to the west. Towards to the west, how much it is travels, Ra? You take any direction, no problem. West it has been traveled 250 kilometer in how many hours, Ra? 5 hours.
5
Drawing
hours.
diagram is most important. Understand? Now, full stop, Ra. Morning and returns to Chennai. Returns to Chennai. Returns to Chennai. Returns to Chennai in the evening. In the evening. In the evening. Covering the same distance of. Covering the same distance of 250 kilometer. 250 kilometer. Covering the same distance of 250 kilometer in the same time of 5 hours. Same time of 5 hours. Now what is the direction? Morning west means now what direction now? East direction.
East.
Yes or no? It went to Chennai to Pudukottai and again it reaches to Chennai. That's all. Now find average speed. Do you know that how to find average speed? So average speed, what we should do for finding average speed? And average velocity.
Covering the same distance of.
Find the average speed and average velocity of the bus. Average velocity of the bus. For whole journey. So kindly all of you solve. Now first average speed. How to find average speed? What is the speed formula? Average speed formula. Total distance traveled.
Total distance by total time.
That's all. Solve it. So speed, average speed is equals to average speed. Understanding? Which is equals to total distance. What is the total distance? Solunga. Total distance divided by total time. Total time taken. So now what is the total distance? 250 kilometer plus 250 kilometer. Is it yes or no? All of you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now 5 hours plus 5
Only
hours,
500 kilometers.
which is equals to 500 kilometer divided by 10 kilometers. 5 or 10 ones are 10 50s are, which is equals to 50 kilometer per hour. Is what, Ra?
Sir, 10 hours.
10 hours only. Okay. 10 hours. Very good. So average speed is equals to how much, Ra? Average
50 kilometers per hour.
50 kilometer per hour. Now, he went morning from Chennai to Pudukottai, evening from again Pudukottai to Chennai. Finally, he reaches to the same place where he begins his journey. Now, as we know that average velocity, what will become? Average velocity, what will become?
Total time taken.
Average velocity.
Total distance by total time.
Displacement. Total displacement. What is the total displacement?
By
Ra?
total time taken.
By total time taken. Total time taken. What is the total displacement? Speak, all of you. Total displacement.
500.
Went 250, came back again 250. So what will become?
250 kilometer
Zero.
minus 250 kilometer.
50 minus
0.
divided by hours.
By 5 hours plus 5 hours.
5 hours, which is equals to 0 kilometer divided by 10 hours.
By 10 hours.
Equals to 0 kilometer per hour. 0 kilometer per hour. That's all. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Solve it. Now I should say one point. You may ask me one question. I told you, sir, whenever you are mentioning velocity, we should mention the direction. Yes or no? We should mention the direction. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, but here I am not mentioning. Answer is 0. Now why I am not mentioning the direction? Anybody, please answer. Remember, note, understanding. When the velocity is 0, we no need to mention the direction. Is it understand, all of you? When the velocity is 0, what will happen?
Sir.
Velocity is 0, what will happen? Yeah, we no need to mention the state in this case of 0 velocity. No direction can be. No direction when velocity is 0. When velocity is 0. Mahalakshmi, why you are late? Be in time, be regular. Understanding? Understand, Mahalakshmi? What happened? Why you are late today? Right, solve it. Have you solved any numerical in school till now, Manya?
No, sir.
Okay. Huh? Okay, Dora. We'll do it. Now, are you getting confidence? Will you be able to solve numerical or not? Yeah.
Yes,
See,
sir.
ninth onwards, numericals is only matters. Those who can solve numericals, they only will get good mark. They only will get first rank also. Now, numericals only matters. Our fate will be decided by only numericals. No theory, no by heart. You remember, there is no kind of by hearting or mug up. That's all. Understand the concept and solve it. That's all. So from this we can prove that velocity may become zero few times, but is it possible to make the speed is zero? Speed will never become zero, but velocity will become zero. Yes or no? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yes. That is what you should remember. Understanding that? All of you. Everybody must know. Now from this, can you write all the differences between speed and velocity? How many of you can able to write? Speed and velocity. One is distance by time, another one is displacement by time. Units is meter per second, units is meter per second. Next one, having only magnitude, here magnitude as well as direction. It is a scalar quantity, it is a vector quantity. Speed will never become zero, velocity will become zero at a certain situation. These all are what are? Differences only.
Difference
Yes or no?
between.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to say me once again?
No, sir.
Okay, but that is the most important question. Understanding, write the differences between speed and velocity. Write it, all of you. Keep writing differences between speed and velocity. Differences between speed and velocity. So now first speed. Speed, next velocity. So now tell me speed. Differences means always you should construct the box. Now tell me first speed. Speed is what? Speed is it is a distance by time. Correct or not? Ratio of distance and time. Now what is this? It is a ratio of what? Displacement and time. Is it yes or no? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Now next second one. Units. Units is what? Meter per second or kilometer per hour. Here also what? Units. Meter per second or kilometer per hour. That's all. Next, third point. Magnitude, only having magnitude. Only magnitude. Here, magnitude as well as direction. Magnitude and direction. Both magnitude and direction you can write. Both magnitude and direction. Next, this is which quantity? Scalar or vector quantity?
Sir, speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity, sir.
Scalar quantity. This is what?
Vector quantity.
Vector quantity. Next, last point. Speed will never become zero. Okay, no problem.
Speed will not be equal to velocity.
Speed will never become zero, but velocity will be zero. Understanding, Amma? So these are the differences. How many? 5 differences I have taught, but any 3 you can remember also, not an issue. But if you remember 5, it is better for us while we are solving numericals. Is it yes or no? Do it, all of you. How many of you understand this? Is it clear?
Understood, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
write it. All of you write the differences between speed and velocity. Manish, Tamil Selvan. You learned or not? Can you able to write now? Differences, Manish, Anya, Alana.
Sir,
Hello. Tell me, Laksha. Manya. Meeting ID I am sending login.